Hi guys. It's oil change day. I actually already did it, but I didn't film an intro, so. Anyways, I'm doing an oil change on my square body today. The last person to do it was my transmission guy, Bonifero. And that was, I am ashamed to say, how long ago. I've been checking it and topping it up, but it just... The whole thing is I don't have a jack anymore, so I was like, I'm scared to put it on ramps, but anyways, I just did it. I was like, I'm doing it. So, here I am. That's all I got to say. Enjoy the show. Love you guys. Alright. There's a little feeling that happens when it nestles in. Not bad. Okay, now I got some wheel chocks for the back. I went to get some tools and the scraper, and there was a mom and a dad cardinal freaking out at me. Anyways, I gave them some time to get out, but they wouldn't get out. And then, I noticed there's two baby cardinals. Oh, you think I know the size by now? There's two baby cardinals sitting on a chandelier in there. Gee whiz, this is tight. Better down it out, ain't it? I'll be getting loose for when I go to take it off. And where did that brush? Ew, fuck. Tell I didn't do this last time. Holy shit. Fuck, eh? Who did this? You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Come on, missiles. How is this even possible? I may need to switch the tool up. Okay. Holy smokes, folks. There we go. Whoa, slide to my face. Get. Go, catch it. Oil slick. Fuck. Where's that tarp when you need it? Alright. Just let it drip a little bit here. $19.97. I've never heard of Purelator. I thought I had a Fram one around here, or what one do you guys hate? I can't remember. There's one that you guys hate. I think it might be Fram, which I don't mind at all, but there was a... Anyways. Cheers! I was 6 years old in 1997. Meet you down there, bud. We don't want to spill this liquid gold. Okay. Dreamplug, where are you? Dreamplug, I love you. Yeah, baby. 1738. Hey. Oh, snug as a bug in a rug. Not quite as snug as... I think the last person who did this oil change was my transmission guy. Pharaoh. Oh, did I leave something? Is this a Snugadoo? She's beautifully snug. Purelator delivery. Alright, and there you have it. We're done. Let's fire it up. Just kidding. Let's put the oil in. I love how they're building a house next door, and me talking to myself is louder than they are. Gotta get a funnel. I feel like I'm back in my lifted truck days. I gotta get another one of those. Like and subscribe. here. Get over here. Come hang out with me. That's it, cameraman, you're fired. Ah! I look like gold. Picking up strangers. Class dismissed. I took a trip. What the fuck? Excuse me. Oh my god, well now how do I know where it goes? Oh my god! You gotta be kidding me. It's there, right? Is that where it is? Are you kidding me? Where does this thing go? I usually use the little hole thing. The whole thing is now here. Oh my god. This happened to me before with the other truck. You see what I mean? The neck, or whatever you call it. I found it! Why wouldn't it go in before? Anyways, that's good. Perfect, it's full. Okay, it's snugged back in. Alright, okay, that was... Okay, cool. Now, oil is in. Put cap back on. Get out! There. One last little check down under and then fire it up. It, guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Somebody asked me to make an Amazon wish list, so I will post that down in the comments. Other than that, love you guys so much. I'm going to clean up now. I do have a members option if you guys want more little extra videos or a little bit more personal about my day-to-day life. And it just helps support me and what I do, because this is what I do. So I'm almost at 20K, and when I hit 20K there will be a celebration. I do believe I'm going to do my Ask Me Anything, because you guys have asked a lot of questions. So thanks for watching, guys. I love you so much. Bye.